Hi everyone, my name is Carrie and I am so thrilled today to give you a brief overview of Google Drive. So first I want to talk about why Google Drive is so awesome and why you can use it for your business. First of all, it's a really great tool to not only house files that you need to use, but it's also prime setup for sharing information and sharing files, etc., folders, whatnot, with other people. That is one of the best things about Google Drive is that it's great for teams. So you don't have to send a bunch of emails back and forth with edits made to documents or edits made to slides or edits made to a spreadsheet. You can simply make those files, save them in Google Drive, and then you can share them with people, and then you don't have to keep sending it to them over and over again because it automatically updates, and then all they have to do is click a link. It's great. So as you can see, this is the basic dashboard of what Google Drive looks like. So all I'm going to do in this video is go over the very basic stuff that you need to know about Google Drive. Now, in other videos, we will talk about some more detailed things, so stay tuned for the other videos if you have a detailed question about something specific. So first and foremost, I want to share with you the sidebar here and what each one of these things mean. So first off, you can see that we have a My Drive section. And My Drive is just where all of your files and folders are going to be housed. So when you click on this, this is what it does. It takes you to this page. You can also see that there's a like a little I call it a sideways triangle. It looks like a play button. If you click on it, you can see that it gives you a different viewpoint of all of the different folders. Now you may be wondering, well, how does she get those color coded? Again, stay tuned for another video where I tell you how to do that. Now in this Google Drive, I actually have a team drive. For your Google Suite, you may not have this option, but if you do, it's a team drive that you can actually set up with a team of people. Now, like I said, some of them don't have this, so you can ignore that. The next thing that you have down here is shared with me. So sometimes you will get files and folders that are shared with you from somebody else. If you click on those here, all of those files and folders and everything that you get shared from someone else to you will be here. One of my favorite buttons to click on over here on the sidebar is the recent button. These are the most recent things that you opened, from top being the most recent, and then you can just scroll down. So if you're having a hard time finding something and you're getting frustrated and you know you opened it today, you can scroll to this little tab right here and click on it, and then you can just start going down. It takes you from the day, and then the next section will say earlier this week, and then it just goes backwards in time. Now you can actually do something called starring files and folders. So that means that you are putting extra precedence on that. Maybe you want to favorite it. So you can actually star something. I will show you how to do that in a later video, but you can find those there. And then of course you have your trash button. This is any file that you delete will stay here until you empty your trash. If you would like to empty your trash and get rid of it, the empty trash button is right up here on the top right. So I'm going to go back to My Drive, which is the general dashboard, and just give you an overview of what your dashboard can look like. So at the top, you're going to see these are, they always feature the 4 most recent files that you have opened. Now you can change your viewpoint. If this is one viewpoint, but if you click here, you can change it to a list view. List view just gives you a list of files. If you prefer to have the tile view, you click top again, and it's going to give you this tile view, which gives you a larger picture of kind of what you have in your Google Drive. So again, the top section here is your most recent open files. The next section you're going to see is all of your folders. So folders are groupings of files that have been organized together. I'm going to talk more about files versus folders on a different video. And then down here are any unorganized files that you might have. And that is what your basic dashboard is going to look like. Now, In further videos, we're going to talk about lots of different detailed things. So you're probably still left wondering right now, well, what else are we going to learn? We're going to learn about all sorts of different things, like how to add files, folders, how to share them with other people, how to color code them and organize them, favorite them, delete them, things like that. I'm really excited to share with you more exciting things that you can learn about Google Drive in future videos. Thank you so much for watching.